Hello, my name is Ismail Zainal, and I'm going to talk about the new data components yield utilization factor and yield utilization percentage in D3plot19. It is useful to know how the stress is distributed in a structure under load and how much more stress it is likely able to take before yielding. This is especially useful when establishing safety factors. Being able to visualize this makes it easy to quickly analyze a situation. Users can create a user-defined component for this within D3plot. However, the calculation and visualization of the data is slower compared to inbuilt data components. This is especially noticeable for large models. Based on this, we decided to add two new data components to D3plot, yield utilization factor and yield utilization percentage. These two new data components are available for elements which output a stress tensor. This includes solids, shells, thick shells, SPH, and DES elements. The following formulae are used to calculate these components. For yield utilization factor, it is von Mises stress over initial yield stress, and for yield utilization percentage, it is von Mises stress over initial yield stress multiplied by 100. The yield stress of the material must be available in D3plot, otherwise the value will not be calculated properly. Also, note the words initial yield stress, as the material can get stronger as it deforms through factors such as different strain rates and strain hardening. Now I will demonstrate how to view the results from these two new data components in D3plot. After opening up the model, under the Data tab, click on the Category drop-down box and select Stress. Then, click on the component, and under the Other group, you can see these two new data components, yield utilization factor and yield utilization percentage. For this demonstration, I will select yield utilization factor. To view the results, press C key. Thank you for watching.